Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss how you can speak English like a native speaker. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, these tips will help you sound more natural and fluent in English. So, let's dive into it.
Tip number 1. Think in English. One of the best ways to improve your fluency is to start thinking in English. Instead of translating everything from your native language to English, try to think directly in English. For example, if you're walking to a store, instead of thinking I am going to the store in your language, think I'm going to the store in English. This helps you speak more naturally. Tip number 2. Practice with native materials. To sound more like a native, it's important to practice with materials that native speakers use. Watch movies, TV shows, and listen to podcasts or music in English. Not only will this help with your listening skills, but you'll also get familiar with how native speakers use certain words and phrases in everyday conversation. Tip number 3. Use idioms and phrasal verbs. Native speakers often use idioms and phrasal verbs in their everyday speech. These are expressions like break the ice, hit the nail on the head, or give up. Learning and using these idioms can make you sound more natural and fluent. For example, instead of saying I am tired, you can say I am beat or I am exhausted. Tip number 4. Focus on intonation. In English, intonation plays a huge role in how you sound. It's not just about the words, but also how you say them. Pay attention to the rise and fall of your voice. For example, when asking a question, your voice should go up at the end of the sentence, like, "Are you coming?" or "What time is it?" This makes your English sound more natural and helps you communicate more effectively. Tip number 5. Practice speaking with a native speaker. One of the best ways to improve your speaking skills is to practice with a native speaker. You can do this by finding a language exchange partner or hiring a tutor. Speaking regularly with someone who is fluent will help you develop better pronunciation, learn new expressions, and gain confidence. So, those were some of the tips for speaking like a native speaker. Remember, consistency is key when learning a language. It's not about being perfect right away, but about gradually improving your skills. Keep practicing, and you'll get better over time. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips like these. Tip number 6. Mimic native speakers. Another great technique is to mimic native speakers. Try repeating what they say, exactly as they say it, with the same intonation and rhythm. This helps you get used to the natural flow of the language. You can use YouTube videos, podcasts, or even movies. Pick a sentence, pause the video, and try to repeat it aloud in the same way. It might feel awkward at first, but trust me, it's one of the best ways to sound like a native. Tip number 7. Think in phrases, not just words. One thing that makes native speakers stand out is that they don't just think in isolated words, they think in phrases. For example, instead of translating individual words, they say things like "How's it going?" or "I'm looking forward to it." Start practicing full phrases instead of individual vocabulary words. This will help you speak more naturally and help you sound fluent when you're in conversation. Tip number 8. Improve your pronunciation. Pronunciation is key to sounding like a native speaker. Native English speakers often have subtle differences in their pronunciation that can be hard to catch. Practice pronouncing words clearly, paying special attention to sounds that don't exist in your native language. You can use language apps or online pronunciation tools to help you get it right. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in your speaking abilities. Tip number 9, don't be afraid to make mistakes. One of the most common reasons people struggle with speaking English fluently is the fear of making mistakes. But let me tell you this, making mistakes is part of the learning process. Even native speakers make mistakes. So don't be afraid to speak. The more you practice, the better you will become. Remember, the key is to keep trying and not to let your mistakes stop you. Tip number 10, build a habit of speaking every day. Consistency is crucial when learning a new language. To speak like a native, you need to build a habit of speaking English every day. This doesn't mean you need to have long conversations, but simply try to use English in small ways throughout your day. Whether it's reading a sentence out loud, practicing a conversation with yourself, or chatting with friends online, keep using English regularly. The importance of listening. Listening is just as important as speaking when it comes to mastering a language. The more you listen to native speakers, the better you'll understand the language and the more naturally you will speak. Pay attention to their vocabulary, how they use words in context, and their tone. It will make a big difference in your speaking ability. Tip number 11, learn to use stress in sentences. Stress is a key component of English pronunciation. Native speakers tend to stress certain words in a sentence to give it meaning and emphasis. For example, I didn't say he stole the money. Depending on which word you stress, the meaning changes. Learn where to put stress in sentences to sound more natural and to make your point clear. Tip number 12, use contractions. Native speakers use contractions all the time, like I'm, don't, can't, and it's. They're a key part of everyday spoken English. Don't worry about being formal, contractions are natural in conversation and will help you sound more fluent. So, instead of saying I am going to the store, say I'm going to the store. Tip number 13, engage in conversations regularly. Engaging in regular conversations with others, especially native speakers, is one of the best ways to improve your fluency. Try to find language exchange partners, speak with friends who are fluent, or even join online communities. The more you speak, the more comfortable you'll become with using English in real-world situations. Tip number 14, use technology to practice. There are a ton of apps and websites that can help you practice speaking English. Some apps allow you to speak with native speakers, while others help with pronunciation and grammar. Find a tool that works for you and make it a regular part of your practice routine. Technology makes it easier than ever to practice, so take advantage of it. Tip number 15, stay motivated. Learning a language can be tough at times, but it's important to stay motivated. Set goals for yourself, track your progress, and celebrate small victories along the way. Whether it's understanding a new phrase or being able to speak more confidently, every step counts. Keep pushing forward, and remember why you started. Tip number 16, shadowing technique. Shadowing is one of the most powerful techniques to improve your speaking skills. It involves listening to a native speaker and immediately repeating what they say, copying their tone, rhythm, and pronunciation as closely as possible. This technique will help you get used to the speed and natural flow of the language. You can do this with podcasts, news reports, or TV shows. It's like mimicking a shadow, and it will greatly improve your fluency over time. Tip number 17, think in English. One key to speaking English like a native is to stop translating from your native language to English. Instead, try to think in English directly. It may take some time, but the more you practice thinking in English, the faster your speaking skills will improve. So, when you're doing something, like making breakfast or walking outside, try to describe what you're doing in English in your mind. Tip number 18, focus on pronunciation, not just grammar. Many learners focus too much on grammar and forget the importance of pronunciation. While grammar is important, clear pronunciation is crucial to being understood. It's better to speak with simple grammar but perfect pronunciation than to use complex grammar with poor pronunciation. So, practice the sounds of the language, and make sure your speech is clear and easy to understand. Tip number 19, watch English content with subtitles. Watching movies, TV shows, or videos in English with subtitles is an excellent way to improve your speaking. First, watch with subtitles in your native language, then rewatch it with English subtitles. This will help you match the spoken words with their written forms. Pay close attention to how native speakers say certain phrases, and repeat them to practice pronunciation. Tip number 20, use English in real-life situations. The best way to become fluent is by using English in real-life situations. Find opportunities to speak with friends, family, or co-workers who speak English. You can also practice by ordering food in English, having small conversations with strangers, or traveling to English-speaking countries. The more you use English in your everyday life, the more natural it will feel. Tip number 21, set realistic goals. Setting goals is an essential part of the learning process. Make sure your goals are realistic and achievable. For example, aim to learn 5 new words a day or have a 10-minute conversation in English every week. Achieving these small goals will keep you motivated and help you track your progress as you go.
To wrap things up, let's quickly go over the key points. We've covered pronunciation, listening, thinking in English, using real-life situations, and more. Remember that the journey to fluency is long, but with dedication, consistency, and practice, you can achieve your goal. Keep challenging yourself, and always try to use English as much as possible in your daily life. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope these tips were helpful, and that they inspire you to keep practicing and improving your English. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and lessons. Remember, fluency is not far away. Keep going and you'll get there. See you in the next video. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and have a wonderful day.